In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from AnyDesk quickly and easily. If you use AnyDesk for remote access and want to sign out of your account on a computer, this guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can do it without any confusion. This is especially useful if you're switching devices, troubleshooting account issues, or just making sure your account is disconnected properly. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll be on the main AnyDesk screen. Now, look at the top right corner of the window. You should see the menu icon there, usually shown as 3 or 4 horizontal lines. Click that menu icon to open the main options. From the drop-down menu, find and click Settings. This will open the AnyDesk Settings window where you can manage your account and app preferences. In the Settings window, scroll down if needed until you see the My Account section. Click My Account to open your account details. Here, you should see the option to log out. Go ahead and click Log Out. AnyDesk may take a moment to process the action, and once it's done, you'll be signed out of the account on that device. That's it. You've successfully logged out from AnyDesk. If you are trying to disconnect your account from a shared or public computer, this is the right way to make sure your session is no longer active. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.